How to filter TikTok notifications. In this video, I am going to show you how you can just filter out TikTok notifications in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the TikTok mobile phone. Afterwards, tap on the inbox corner that is at the bottom of the screen. Afterwards, this kind of page is going to open up in which you're going to go and tap on the all activity icon or option that is at the top, middle, or in the page. Afterwards, a new dialog box is going to appear in which there are further few options like likes, comments, Q&A, mentions, followers, and from TikTok. These are all notification types, so you can choose the one you like, from likes to comments to mentions to from TikTok. If you want to have all the activities or all the notifications, then just choose the all activity one. So this is how you filter TikTok notifications. I hope this video was informative. Till next time, see ya. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.